Guys, here we are, locked and loaded with Captain Dromobile and my little invention here on the side. We'll see if that is going to help us get some good video of us touring the neighborhood. Can we finally reach Steve's house? I don't know. We've tried it a couple of times with different devices. We tried HD video with Wi-Fi, and that just never reaches his house. So maybe if we go the old school way, not using digital systems, but using the old school ways, maybe we can reach it. We'll see anyway. The best thing about this video today is that Captain Drone sticker on the top, making this a Captain Drone mobile. And that is exciting, here from Irvine, California, Woodbridge. We're going to try this out and let me see if we can make it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.
Likey